Hi Virgos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your September mid reading. Okay, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the middle of the month. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay, so let's move on for my Virgos. So Ace of Rods, a new passionate beginning over here. I'm seeing this might be just an idea to start a new life, new something. So good. Okay, let's see what is there for my Virgos in the middle of September, please. Angel spirits, guides, please guide me for my Virgos. Okay. So let's see what is the situation right now. Ace of Rods, oh my god, can you just see? So this is the card for you. So new ideas for new beginnings. That is what I'm getting. You know, when you're just ready to start a new life. So what's the problem then? Four of Wands. Okay, so this might be a marriage issue with someone. Might be your marriage, someone else's marriage. Might be a reunion. So you know, when you want to start a new life, but you don't want to get married. This kind of a situation, it involves some kind of marriage, some kind of a commitment. It involves because you are more in that passionate zone, but still there are some issues coming up in your life. Okay, so what's in the subconscious? Five of Swords. So people around you. So we really need to think, because this is more about the manipulation, the bitching, the gossiping card. People around you, how they are actually feeling, they are not good. Okay, so you might even know that, you know, this thing is a situation. The subconscious energy is telling us that how you don't want to look at some stuff. See, sometimes bad things happen and we don't want to look at those kind of stuff, but they're happening. They are happening behind your back. They are happening somewhere in the universe. Okay, so you cannot just hide away from some situations in your life. People are planning. People are really not good around you, so they're planning to just destroy you. They're planning to just, you know, not make you happy basically. If you are happy, they are sad. So these kind of jealousy kind of energy. So this is how you want happy things to start in your life, but not the people around you. Alright, so what's in your past energy? Two of Swords. So there was some kind of a decision which was needed to be made, and then you made that decision, but still the idea is going on. The decision has not been yet taken, I would say, but still the idea is on. The idea of that decision you have already done. Okay, what's in your mind or your conscious energy, which you already know? Six of Pentacles. So a very beautiful, generous kind of energy, where, you know, people are bad with you. They are really playing games around you, but still you are very generous. This is how your mind works. What's on your mind? Your mind is never about about selfishness. This is more about love which you really want to share with people. You want to give it to people. This is that kind of love, that kind of excitement, that kind of, you know, you really love to give charity as well. So your mind is positive, but things around you, they are not. But that is really beautiful. At least you are positive at your end over here. What's your future energies? Knight of Rods. So you are getting a lot of Wands energy, Virgos. So a lot of ideas, they really need to be, you know, decision has to be made. And with the Knight of Rods, he really loves to do stuff. So with the Ace of Rods as the idea of the, you know, as the beginning of some kind of an idea, with the Knight of Wands, he just loves to actually do that thing, and he loves to to do things enthusiastically, passionately. He's very lovey-go-dovey kind of a person, a very happy-go-lucky. Okay, so how you see yourself as this Eight of Swords. So you are actually feeling, because over here, see, you want to do this thing, whatever a new beginning it is. You want it really, you really just want it, okay? But things are really not going smooth around you. Might be your married life, might be another person's married life with whom you are dealing with, might be something else, some kind of commitment, and you are really feeling that you are trapped because you have those ideas now. When your brain says that I have this idea, I have to work, but your body is feeling that you are trapped, your spirit is telling you that you are trapped from within, then how will you actually implement that idea? So this is how you are feeling. You are seeing yourself as someone who is already trapped in a situation. You are not able to move on in a situation. How people see you as the Queen of Swords. So this queen, she just loves to cut people off. She just loves to listen truth, and she hates the liars, and this is how she is. You, so people know that you are this kind of a person. You don't just accept anyone's lies, and you will just always listen. Your heart is that of a rock, basically. Emotions are off when it comes to the truth. So this is how you are, and this is how people actually see you as. Lessons which you really need to learn. Five of Wands. So you really don't need to get in everyone's conflict. So this is that card. When people fight, when people start, some petty issues as well, home issues, why this thing is here, it should be here, that kind of Virgo stuff which Virgos really love to do. You really don't need to always enter in that kind of petty issues, I would say, because it's like, why to start from this small issue, because from there it actually ends up in a very big fight if you will just go. So try to avoid these kind of small things. That is the universe message over here, which they actually want you to hear over here. So with the final outcome as a Page of Wands, a very beautiful energy, a very enthusiastic, when you become a child again, when you really want to start new life with a new zone, with a new energy, and you are actually over here. See how you are really with the Knight of Rods and with this Page of Rods. You are like, you want to start new life, and you want to start it like a child, like a child starts, like a child crawls. This is what you want. You are really energetic in this situation, and your energies are actually reflecting over here. Very beautiful energy, Virgo, but it's that you are just feeling trapped. You are feeling that you are not able to do anything right now. So let's see what else do we have with this Eight of Swords over here. Judgment. See, so this thing with the Eight of Swords, it's like Eight of Swords with a Judgment. It's like, this is that illusion which you think that you are trapped, but actually you are not. Okay, with the Judgment over here, Judgment is trying to tell you that no, you are not caught in any situation. It's just your mindset, it's just your illusion. Okay, so you really should go towards this thing. Whatever you actually want, just go towards it and be happy. Do whatever you want to do. Just remove these threads, or I would say remove everything, these how to say, this rope. Yeah, remove this rope and move on in your life. All right, so let's see what else do we have over here. Why this Four of Wands over here? Why this Four of Wands is here as the conflict for my Virgos? The High Priestess and Three of Pentacles. Yeah, there's a problem where you really have to work on some kind of, this might be your work situation as well, where you are not able to give your 100% towards the work situation because a lot of commitment is involved and you are not ready to give that commitment to something else because you have plans to start something new, because you are into some other direction and you are not able to focus on something else. So that might be an issue, because with the high priestess, you actually, the energy over here is, you know the truth, you know what you want, but you just cannot take the decision because of the environment around you. All right, so but in your future, in your final outcome, I'm seeing that you are taking that action which actually is needed in your life, and you're going towards it, and you are really giving it with a, bam, with a boom, basically. Let's see, why is this page of rods over in the outcome energy? Page of rods in the outcome, please. Page of swords and ace of cups. Okay, so you are that enthusiastic child, you are that small teenager who really is, very informative, who really loves to get who loves to listen new news, who loves to listen to new ideas, who wants to implement new ideas as well, who wants to go to school again, who wants to start new life again. With the ace of cups is the yes from the universe, that yes, whatever you actually wanted, it will actually come towards you, so you do not have to be worried about it. All right, so that's all, Virgos, from my side. I hope it helps, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye.